most exciting objects in astronomy are black holes. A black hole is the result of a very high mass star, say 6 times the mass of our star, exploding at the end of its life and then collapsing. So what actually is a black hole? What's the structure of a black hole? Well, it's actually comprised of a couple of different components. One component is the singularity itself, and that singularity is the collapsed star, maybe about the size of this planet, maybe even slightly smaller than the size of this planet. But imagine packing all of the mass of a star 6 times the mass of our star into something the size of the Earth. What makes it a black hole is the fact that that very small object still has the gravitational pull of that object that is 6 times the size of our sun. And what this does is it makes it impossible for energy to escape from this object. So a black hole is really just a collapsed star. The reason why it can't be seen, the reason why it's black, is because the escape velocity of light from the surface of that object is greater than the speed of light. The escape velocity goes up, greater than the speed of light, so we can't see it.
ESO telescopes have been used to track the motion of stars around the giant black hole at the center of our galaxy for 20 years. This black hole's mass is a hefty 4 million times that of the Sun, earning it the title of supermassive black hole. Although it is huge, this black hole is currently supplied with little material and is not shining brightly, but this is about to change. Using ESO's Very Large Telescope, a team of astronomers has discovered a new object that is heading almost straight towards a black hole at vertiginous speed. The object is not a star, but a cloud of gas.
The cloud consists mainly of hydrogen gas which we see anyhow in the galactic center all over the place. This particular cloud weighs more or less 3 times the mass of Earth, so it's a rather small and tiny blob only. But it glows very brightly in the light of the stars which are surrounding the cloud.
As the astronomers watched, the cloud has been picking up pace as it gets closer to the giant black hole. Its speed has doubled in the last 7 years, and it is now speeding towards the black hole at more than 8 million kilometers per hour. The astronomers have already seen the cloud's outer layers becoming more and more disrupted over the last few years as it approaches the black hole. But the exciting part is yet to come.
The black hole, imagine it sitting here, has a tremendous gravitational force, and the cloud, as it comes in, it will be elongated and stretched. It will become essentially like spaghetti. It will be elongated and falling into the black hole.
Well, the next few years will be really fantastic and exciting because we are probing new territory. Here this cloud comes in, gets disrupted, but now it will begin to interact with the hot gas right around the black hole. We have never seen this before.
No one knows what will happen next. The cloud will probably heat up and may start to emit powerful X-rays as it gets disrupted. In the end, the material will eventually disappear by falling into the black hole. For the scientists, this event is truly a unique chance to probe the hot gas around the black hole.
But this process of how material gets into black holes really is not clear to us. We don't understand it in any detail. And here in the galactic center, we have an opportunity, so to speak, to have a probe of this process, how material really gets added to the black hole and what the physical processes are, how the interactions happen in this very central region. That's a fantastic opportunity.
This is indeed science fiction becoming science fact.